Hello, dear BK News viewers. This is Bob Cant, and today we're going to take a deep dive into a topic that's shaking up the world of technology and Wall Street: the race for artificial intelligence. Well, it seems that AI, this technological marvel that promises to revolutionize our lives, is causing headaches for tech giants. Just imagine billions of dollars being invested in something that so far is not generating the expected return. It's as if we're watching a high-tech version of the gold rush, but with one small detail: the gold hasn't appeared yet. Let's look at this more closely. Amazon, Google, Microsoft, Meta, all these colossi are betting big on AI. But what have we seen so far? Chatbots that sometimes seem more confusing than we are, cost-saving tools that cost a fortune to develop, and enhanced search engines that occasionally present us with information worthy of science fiction. It is interesting to note how this situation takes us back to other moments in the history of technology. Remember the dot-com bubble in the late 90s? Many invested heavily in the internet, believing it would be the digital El Dorado. Well, we know how that ended. But we also know that in the long term, the internet has indeed transformed the world. Now, speaking of falls, Amazon saw its shares plummet 9% after publishing lower than expected results. Intel, in turn, had an even more dramatic drop of 25%. This reminds me of Warren Buffett's famous quote: "It's only when the tide goes out that you find out who's swimming naked." It seems the tide of AI is revealing some vulnerabilities. By the way, if you find this analysis interesting, don't forget to like the video. This helps the channel to grow a lot and allows us to continue bringing quality content to you. Returning to the topic, the CEOs of these companies are asking for patience. They talk about horizons of 15 years or more to see the fruits of these billion-dollar investments. But frankly, in a world where technologies become obsolete in a matter of months, asking for 15 years of patience sounds almost like asking to believe in fairy tales. Gil Luria, an analyst at D.A. Davidson, made an insightful observation when he said that investing now to achieve returns in 10 to 15 years is more of a risky investment than an investment in a publicly traded company. And he has a point. Publicly traded companies have a responsibility to generate value for shareholders in the short and medium term, not just in the distant future. Meanwhile, expenses continue to rise. Meta raised its capital expenditure forecast to up to $40 billion in 2024. To put that in perspective, that's more than the GDP of many countries. Microsoft, not wanting to be left behind, promises even greater spending. All of this makes me wonder, are we witnessing the birth of a new technological era or just another bubble about to burst? History shows us that major technological advances are often preceded by periods of skepticism and seemingly reckless investments. Think about electricity, cars, the internet. All faced initial resistance before fundamentally transforming our society. On the other hand, we've also seen countless next big things that never took off. Does anyone remember Google Glass or 3D phones? The truth is that we are in uncharted territory. AI has the potential to be as revolutionary as the internet, or even more so. But it could also be that we are overestimating its capabilities in the short term. If you are enjoying this analysis and want to continue receiving content like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. Now, I want to hear your opinion. Do you think these massive investments in AI will pay off in the long run? Or are we seeing the beginning of a new technology bubble? Personally, I believe that AI has immense potential, but I also think that many companies are entering this race more out of fear of being left behind than because they have a clear vision of how to monetize these technologies. It's as if they are buying very expensive lottery tickets in the hope that one of them will be the winner. However, we cannot ignore the fact that some practical applications of AI are already transforming entire industries. Think about medicine, where AI algorithms are helping to diagnose diseases with stunning accuracy. Or in the automotive industry, where autonomous cars are increasingly closer to becoming a reality. The challenge for these technology companies will be to find a balance between investing in the future and maintaining financial health in the present. They will need to demonstrate to investors that they have a concrete plan to monetize these technologies, not just grand visions of a distant future. In conclusion, we are living through a fascinating time in the history of technology. AI could very well be the next big revolution, but the road to get there will certainly be full of ups and downs. As investors and consumers, we need to maintain a critical and balanced outlook. And you, what do you think about all this? Leave your opinion in the comments below. Your point of view is valuable and can help enrich this important discussion. Thank you for watching another BK News video. I'm Bob Kant, wishing you all an excellent reflection on the future of technology. Until next time.